More and more people are representing themselves in court or filing claims with insurance companies on their own. Watch this video to learn 4 reasons why people are representing themselves these days. Hi, Barry here with the LawFull channel. On this channel, we publish a weekly video on the legal topics that affect your life. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If I can't help you, I'll find someone who can. Are you thinking of creating your own will? Or maybe you're going through a divorce and you can't afford an attorney, so you're considering representing yourself. Or perhaps you were involved in an auto accident and you're considering representing yourself against the insurance company. You're not alone. There has been a significant increase in people representing themselves in all types of legal matters. When you represent yourself, it's called pro se representation. This is happening so much that the American Bar Association website has a whole page dedicated to links from the various state bar associations' self-help pages. I put the link to that page in the show notes below, so feel free to check it out. Just because lots of people are doing it does not mean that the courts look at it favorably. The Honorable Judge Richard Posner just retired from the bench, and he said that one of the reasons he retired was because his efforts to help pro se plaintiffs put him at odds with other judges. He was quoted as saying, "The basic thing is that most judges regard these people as kind of trash, not worth the time of a federal judge." That's a really odd comment, and hopefully it's not reflective of judges' true opinions about pro se plaintiffs. So, why are more people representing themselves? I think it's due to 4 reasons. Number 1, attorneys can be expensive. Your average person or small business can't afford to pay $300 or $400 an hour to hire an attorney. Number 2, lawyers are turning cases away. So the other side of the financial coin is that lawyers are turning cases away because it's very expensive to litigate them. This is especially true in medical malpractice cases. These cases cost a lot of money to litigate. And in many states, Wisconsin for example, there are caps on how much a victim can recover for their pain and suffering. As a result, it's hard to even find a medical malpractice attorney who will accept a case that doesn't involve catastrophic injury or even death. The situation is similar in auto accident cases as well. Insurance companies are harder and harder to get money out of for things like soft tissue cases, back sprains, and strains. Insurance companies just aren't paying for these types of injuries anymore, and many attorneys cannot afford to file a lawsuit when the payoff is going to be so little down the road. Consequently, many lawyers are turning these cases away, and as a result, accident victims have to represent themselves against the insurance companies. Unfortunately, this results in accident victims getting taken advantage of by the insurance companies. They have the know-how and the resources to defend their insureds to the very end. Reason number 3, well, I think a lot of people are representing themselves these days because of the easy access to free resources on the internet. For example, anybody can go to findlaw.com, Avo, lawyers.com, nolo.com to find free information on legal topics. And of course, YouTube is a great place to go for legal information. The 4th reason I think people are representing themselves is that I think people are tired of our governmental systems, and that includes the courts too. In the governmental world, people are voting for candidates with no real political background, and in the court system, people are just open to a more non-traditional form of representation. Okay, it's time for your take on the law. Have you ever tried to represent yourself against an insurance company? Or maybe you filed a lawsuit on your own. Tell us about your experience in the comments below. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more legal videos on topics like this, consider subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If I can't help you, I'll find someone who can.